dear children. Good morning. Today we are moving with the last module of our first chapter, Know the Environment. In this session, you will acquire knowledge about sleeping and waking habits of animals. Before we step into the topic, let's look the last day's follow-up activity. Can you identify the similarity among the following animals? Yes, they have hairs present on their faces. These hairs are called whiskers. They are not just hairs but contain lots of nerve cells and are very sensitive. First picture is a seal. Second picture you all know cat, and third picture tiger. And what are the uses of these whiskers? First one, it helps them to know air vibration. Suppose a wind is blowing, they can understand it. Second usage is it helps them to spot danger. If any danger is nearby, they can understand. Third, it helps them to find prey. Sometimes their prey, a deer or something else, may be hiding behind the grass, they can find it out. And the last use of whisker is it helps them to sense the movements. These are the uses of whiskers. Now let us move into the topic of today, that is sleeping and waking habits of animals. When do the sense organs stop to identify things? Yes, when we are sleeping, our sense organs are not doing any work, right? So they identify or they stop to identify things. How many hours do you sleep? Most probably 8 to 10 hours you may be sleeping. Duration of sleep varies for different animals. Giraffes may sleep as little as 30 minutes per day. Horses can sleep as few as 2 hours per day. And both of them sleep while standing up also. They are very interesting, right? They can sleep while standing up, and their sleeping hours are very little or very few hours, right? And sloth. This animal is called sloth. It is the laziest animal known in the world because it sleeps for 18 to 19 hours a day. Dear children, so its waking up hours may be 5 hours. In that 5 hours, it will do its daily routine, having the food, etc. So it is the laziest animal in the world, sloth. Now, let's look at the picture here. See the picture and find out the sleeping hours. In this picture, the blue color indicates the sleeping hours and yellow color indicates the hours they are awake. It's a 24-hour clock, and so each portion is considered as 2 hours. So this is a 24-hour clock of our horse sleeping and waking up clock. From this we can understand how many hours our horse sleep? 2 hours. Such type of some activities are given in page number 20. You can do it as TMLA. And now let us look into some interesting facts. First one, insects do not have eyelids. So they do not close their eyes when they are sleeping. Second interesting fact is that some animals like polar bear, lizards, etc. go into a long deep sleep in certain seasons. That is, during winter season, our polar bear, lizard, etc. they will go for a long sleep. Okay, that's the speciality of them. And what about our fishes in the aquarium? Fishes in the aquarium will adjust their sleep cycles depending on the interior lights of the building. Okay, That's all about this chapter. And now let us wind up this session. Before that, the follow-up activity for today is find out more examples of animals which sleep while standing. Dear children, find it out. And that's all for today. Thank you. Study well for the unit test. Stay home. Stay safe.